Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to track your order on the Shop app. So let's get started. First, open the Shop app and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile page. Once on the profile page, tap the three lines, menu icon, in the top right corner. From the menu options, select Order Tracking Sources. Here, you'll see several choices for importing orders. You can import orders from the Shop network, your Gmail inbox, if connected, Outlook, or even Amazon. If you've placed orders through the Shop app, you'll be able to track them here by importing from the Shop network or other sources. All your order details will be displayed, allowing you to easily track your purchases within the Shop app. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.